Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and to this video we have a given equation x plus 3 power 4 equals to 16. Let's provide the solution very quickly to this question provided right here by copy x plus 3 power 4 equals to 16. So the first step is x plus 3 power 4, then minus 16 will be equals to 0, so that we shall get x plus 3 power 4 minus 2 power 4 equals to 0. And then we have equation with, let's do this number of power. We are supposed to find here 4 values of x. So we can here do this as x plus 3 squared, then square again, minus here 2 power 2 and square again, which equals to 0. At this stage, we are changing this equation into difference of two squares to get what? This as a minus b squared. We get here this one as a x plus 3 squared minus 2 squared times x plus 3 squared plus 2 squared equals to 0. So that here we shall write this one as x squared plus 2ab, that is 6x plus 9 minus 4 times here x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 4 equals to 0. So that here we have x squared plus 6x plus here 5 times x squared plus 6x plus 13 will be 0. I think everything is clear at this stage. Now, from this equation, this is a quadratic equation, and here we have quadratic equation. We can start this one as x squared plus 6x plus 5 equals to 0, or x squared plus 6x plus 13 equals to 0. So we have to find two numbers we can multiply together to get 5, and their sum is equal to 6, so that here we have x squared plus 2 here plus 5 x plus x. Here when we add them, their summation is equal to 6, but their product is 5 and 1 here, and this is equal to 0. And we have factorize x plus 5, then here plus 1, x plus 5 equals to 0, and here we shall get x plus 1 times x plus 5 equals to 0, and x equals to 1, or x equals to 5. And this is x1, whereas this is x2. And you can come up to this equation right here to get x squared plus 6x plus here 13 equals to 0. And here we have to find a equals to 1, b equals to 6, and here c equals to 13. So what can we do right here? We have to find x, 3 and 4 equals to negative b plus or minus square root of here b squared minus 4 a c over 2 times a. So we have a which is equal to 1. We are no longer going to write this one, so we have to say negative 6 plus or minus here square root of 36 minus 4 times 13 over 2. And here this is equal to negative 6 plus or minus here square root of that is 36, then minus here this is 52 over 2, right? So that here this is equal to negative 6 plus or minus here square root of negative 16 over 2, and we shall write this one as negative 6, right? Then here plus or minus 4i over 2, so that here x 3 and 4 will be negative 3 plus or minus 2i as part of complex numbers. But there our answer is equal to x1, which is equal to 1, and x2, which is equal to 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.